So we are discussing about so there are three things which are pending here. Now we'll discuss here one by one. So first we'll concentrate this Jetpack Compose. So this Jetpack Compose is nothing but it's a advanced version for this whatever we creating now that Kotlin. Right, for that it is a little bit advanced. So that is Jetpack Compose, but maybe that in future it will come or not that way exactly we don't know, but here this is the advanced version for the Jetpack Compose. So here we have to create like similar way, but here there is no XML concept here. Now like let us see, first we'll create one sample project, then we'll get to know how this will be working here. So maybe just you have give small idea about this, no need to concentrate much, so that should be enough here. So now here new, so new project. So if you want to create an Jetpack Compose, so you can go with the no activity. So directly that will create as a Jetpack Compose. So I'm creating this. So I'm creating the project name also Jetpack exam Jetpack. So just I created as a Jetpack. Now we will see here how the project will be created. Like project structure will also change because in this concept no HTML, so only this. Just we will see here. So we'll wait and see here now. Just that project is creating, right? So just I'll close this. So this is the project. It is creating here now. Wait, once this project has created, then we will see here about the structure. So here now, see, if I open here, so sorry, I think we have to create in a different way, not this one. Sorry, empty activity. You have to create with empty activity, not that one. Jetpack. So if we created the empty activity, then it will be created. Yeah, now this is created perfectly fine. Now the complete the code structure will different here for this, but no need to learn this completely. Just you have to get some idea about this, then it will be enough. So just a minute still, because this kind of project we normally create want to create recently, right? So that's the reason it is taking a little bit longer time to create this. So this is the project, it is created here, right? So now this is the main activity. Yes, this does not have any user interface. See here now in RES, there is no layout folder. So remaining as it is, it will be same, but there is no that. So in this UI theme, so this is the UI theme here, it will come. So in this, that is the main activity.kt. Here is the main activity.kt file has created here like this. Right. So, but this one got some error. So we'll see what is that. So this already created. Why it is showing an error? Anyhow, we'll try to run this. If it won't run, then we will see what is that. Means it's just a basic thing, basic code it is created. So now on the basic code, I think that is a name will be created here. So the main activity extended as a component activity. So there it will be extended as a normal activity. Here it is a component activity. So on top of that, now it will be run. So we will see here. Just a minute, I connected the mobile. Yeah, now we got, so now I'm running this code. So meanwhile, I'll open the visor. Yeah, it is installed. Now we will see here. See, this is the hello world. It is created here like this, right? Now, but this code will be completely different. No need to remember this. But here now this extends here. OnCreate method will be there. Art after OnCreate method here. Now instead of set content view here, now it will be different. So that is a set content. That is a Jetpack theme. So that Jetpack theme will be updated here now. Let us say I want to create a login page. So here now we'll ask ChatGPT here. So this is the ChatGPT. Like last time I showed one I told that is like visor, right? So that visor or this one, it will be help. So here now I'm asking that create login page on Jetpack Composer. Login view should be center of the page, horizontal and vertical. So just I'm asking this. So first in this set content here, now in this set content, so we will remove all the stuff here. So in the set content, just I'll put that login codes. So I remove rest of all. So one more brace is required. Yes, now it is clear. Then we have to add this code there. So it is giving like see here, login. There outside of this, we have to create the login this. Import. So all the things we have to import. Color. Also provide imports. So copy here. Now we will add in imports. So added in imports. So here we will paste. Yeah, so still here I have removed. So this unwanted things we'll remove here. Right. Now I'm running this. Means that code, we no need to remember that code in this. See here. This is the login page. Like this, it will be created here. This. So if you go and understand this now, see here. Now, first, whatever we have to create, that we have to insert content view. Here we just added that as a login page. So in this login page now, so here we have the modifier like login modifier box. So we have created a box on the box content like align center. So that is a white. So first column. So column that is horizontally center, vertical center here modified. So first text. So that is the login text here. So that is the login text what we created here. This is the login text. So on the top of that outline box, this is the box. So that will be email, fill width, space 15 height. Then after that outline box, that is password. Then after that button. Like this, we have to create this. So now, like this, you can use, no need to remember here. Now just by clicking here and you can add this now. I want, after clicking the button, toast should display. Go to display with entered values. So should display with entered values. Entered values and need material 3. So need material. Like I'm asking here now, it will is giving the content here. Like means this will be the two things here. Now one thing is like this is the main class which will be created here. Like means how we are using Jetpack Compose. In the same time, like how we have to use the ChatGPT. So the both are covering in this now. Like in this way, you can ask. So where you struck, no worry. So automatically you will get all the code here like this. See here now. I'm sending here. I'm running here. Now I entered something here, then click. See the toast. We got a toast here. This. Whatever the data we entered there, so that toast here we got this. So this is the way we will get this. Right. So this is about the Jetpack Compose, but here we will get all the Jetpack Compose related stuff in this here. This is also from Kotlin site. So here in developer.android.com, here we will get, but no need to much concentrate on this level. Maybe like in future, if in case if it is increased, So that we will get this. So this is like your Jetpack Compose and AI tools, right? So now, so this is like one of the AI tool will be the ChatGPT. Other you can use as a Gemini. So one more that is a Gemini. So Gemini. So here Gemini. Yeah, even here also you can get this. So Gemini also you can try. So this both you will get here, right? So then, so there are total three tools I have explained here. One is Gemini, ChatGPT, and Wiser. So that things we have to cover in this. Like means those three will be help us to create here these things. Right. So that is regarding the AI tools. And one part is pending. So that is the interview point of question. So before going to this interview point of view, so I want to understand, you have any questions? So you want any questions? If you have any questions, so that we'll cover that. So this interview point of questions will take 20 to 25 minutes. That I'll cover tomorrow. So tomorrow is the last session. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, just you can ask now, or you can record. You can write the questions that we will discuss in detail tomorrow. Right, Sanjay, have any questions? So anyhow, I told now, like later after the course, like while you're practicing, you have any questions, you can contact me so that I'll clarify your questions and all. So now you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then just you can check once, cross verify whatever the questions you have, just note down. So that questions and interview point of questions we'll discuss tomorrow and we'll close our course.
Okay, sir.